Hey creators, welcome back to Ideaplex, the place where we unlock powerful ideas to make your creative journey smarter, faster, and a whole lot more fun. Today, we're diving into a tool that promises to replace your Canva, your stock photo sites, even your Photoshop, all in one app. It's called Artistly.ai and it's making some bold claims. An AI tool that lets you generate unlimited professional artwork, logos, ads, even product mockups without paying a single monthly fee. No more Midjourney subscriptions, no more Dolly credits, just a one-time payment and it's yours forever. The all-in-one AI art studio that's going viral for its insane value. Let's find out. Stick around. You might just discover your next creative secret weapon. Artistly.ai is like the Swiss Army knife of AI art generators. It's built for entrepreneurs, designers, and even hobbyists who want high-quality visuals fast. Unlike tools like Midjourney or Leonardo.ai, you pay once, just $49 for the basic plan, and get lifetime access to features like text-to-image, Inpainting, and even e-commerce mockups. No subscriptions, no hidden fees, and yeah, you heard that right, unlimited generations. But we've all been burned by AI hype before. Glitchy tools, vague results, weird faces. So today, we're taking a full walkthrough, not just the features, but the experience. Let's see what Artistly really brings to the table. Effortlessly produce exquisite, professional-grade visuals from a single keyword prompt to enhance your marketing, social media, and presentations. The AI image generator, this is the heart of Artistly. Type in your prompt and within seconds, you get multiple high-res images. And here's the cool part. You don't need to fiddle with complicated parameters. It's beginner-friendly, but still lets you guide the style. Photorealistic, anime, oil painting, you name it. Mirror Magic, this feature lets you remix an existing image. Upload a picture and Artistly will give you stylized versions, modern art, cinematic versions, or totally surreal variations. Great for refreshing old designs or creating consistent social posts. Background and Inpainting tools. Need to remove a background or tweak a section of an image? Artistly makes it super intuitive. Click, mask, prompt, and the AI fills in the gap. You can literally erase someone from a photo and replace them. Consistent characters. This is rare in AI tools. The ability to create a character and reuse them across different scenes. Think illustrated storybooks, branded mascots, or comics. It's not perfect, but surprisingly solid for basic storytelling needs. Product mockups. Designers and small business owners. This one's for you. Create an image or logo and instantly place it on a t-shirt, mug, canvas, or packaging. This is awesome for print-on-demand sellers, Etsy shops, or even pitch decks. Bulk actions. One of my favorite features, you can batch, generate, or modify multiple images at once. Perfect if you're running social campaigns or need lots of content fast. Create eye-catching YouTube thumbnails, attention-grabbing social media ads, or versatile graphics in any dimension within minutes. Upload an image for inspiration, and Mirror Magic generates a unique version with perfect text, colors, and layouts. Fully automated and 100% copyright yours. Whether for personal use or high-demand projects, Mirror Magic makes stunning visuals fast and easy. Imagine your subject perfectly lit and framed, but the background just isn't working. With the Instant Scene Background Editor, that's no problem. Instantly replace the backgrounds in any scene, be it a tranquil beach or a vibrant cityscape. The AI seamlessly replaces the background, fine-tunes lighting, adjusts shadows, and even creates flawless reflections. The result? A professional-grade visual masterpiece that looks like it took hours to create, completed in just minutes. Expand your images and fill in all the missing details using Image Expander. Watch as AI fills in all the intricate details in your images, boosting your visual appeal like a professional photographer. Let AI do all the heavy lifting. Newbies can now generate professional visuals without any experience. Turn your designs into professional product photos with ease. Effortlessly place your artwork on t-shirts, mugs, and other products, displayed on male or female models with flawless precision. The AI automatically adjusts for fabric texture, lighting, and natural wrinkles, ensuring your designs look seamless and professional. Launch new products in minutes, no need for expensive photographers or studio equipment. Perfect for e-commerce platforms like Amazon, eBay, Etsy, and more. Save time, cut costs, and showcase your products beautifully. Updating text in an image has never been easier. Forget the hours spent in Photoshop or waiting on a designer. With the automated AI text editor, all it takes is a few clicks. Highlight the text you want to change, type in your new message, and let the AI do the rest. It instantly blends your update into the image, matching the font, colors, and style perfectly. Quick, intuitive, and powerful, this tool gives you professional results without the hassle. Update, refine, and transform your images in seconds. Upload a single photo and let Artistly create consistent, photorealistic self-portraits, profile pictures, and images of yourself in various styles, outfits, and backgrounds. Perfect for profile pictures, branding, social media, or creative projects. This feature makes you the hero of your story with seamless professional results. Effortlessly create stunning mockups for your logo or designs with just a simple prompt. Showcase your brand or artwork on products like t-shirts, mugs, packaging, or even tech gadgets in seconds. Perfect for e-commerce sellers, marketers, and designers. This feature saves time and eliminates the need for expensive photo shoots while delivering professional quality visuals. Transform the way you showcase your products. No need for expensive studios or professional photographers. Simply provide a prompt, and the AI will create stunning professional-grade product photos in various scenes and backgrounds. Bring your creative ideas to life with ease. Upload an image in any style, whether it is a sketch, painting, cartoon, or realistic photo, and let the AI replicate that style instantly. You can also use simple prompts to replace objects, animals, or people in the image while preserving the original style. This feature is ideal for artists, designers, and content creators who want to create stunning and customized visuals effortlessly. Effortlessly edit your AI-generated images and customize stunning visuals with the Canva style image editor. This intuitive tool allows you to refine layouts, add text, graphics, and effects, and design with drag-and-drop simplicity. Whether you're enhancing AI images, crafting social media posts, creating marketing materials, or professional presentations, this editor provides all the flexibility you need to bring your ideas to life. Easily create beautiful, engaging coloring pages for kids in seconds with this incredible tool. Simply write a prompt and the generator designs unique, kid-friendly coloring pages that are perfect for books, activities, or educational materials. Whether you're creating for personal projects, schools, or looking to sell them on Amazon, Etsy, or publish them for profit, this tool makes it effortless to craft pages that spark creativity and fun for kids of all ages. Take your creativity to the next level and edit images on the fly with a single keyword. Select any object in a photo and replace it with anything other object from a single keyword. Easily change hairstyle, hair color, clothing, and any object in the photo with ease. Transform any photo into high-quality, eye-catching AI portraits in seconds. With just a few clicks, you can generate stunning portraits in a wide range of styles, including stickers, 3D cartoons, anime, storybooks, and more. Whether you're creating profile pictures, characters, or unique illustrations for branding or fun, AI portraits makes it fast, easy, and incredibly creative. No design skills are needed. Just upload your image, choose a style, and let the AI bring your portrait to life with seamless results. Design captivating book covers in seconds using powerful AI. Whether you're publishing a novel, children's story, or business guide, this feature helps you create eye-catching covers tailored to your genre and audience. Customize the color scheme, imagery, and overall theme to match your book's message perfectly. No design experience required. Just enter a prompt and let the AI handle the rest, delivering professional quality covers ready for print or digital platforms. Deploy your art in commercial and client projects and keep 100% of the revenue without paying extra fees or royalties. Embrace the freedom to create and profit without limits using the unlimited and unrestricted license for a low one-time price. So, is Artistly.ai worth it? For unlimited AI art at a one-time fee, 100% yes. I'll drop a link below so you can try it yourself. And no, this isn't sponsored, I just love budget-friendly tools that work. If you love playing with design, want fast visuals, and hate monthly fees, then yeah, it's absolutely worth trying. It won't replace every tool in your kit, but it might just become your favorite new shortcut. Smash that like button if this review helped you, and comment AI art below if you want a tutorial on their advanced features. Thanks for watching, and remember, stay clever, stay creative. This is Ideaplex, helping you create smarter, not harder. See you next time.